Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Linda from Lgqueen Home Decor. Today's an extreme clean, declutter, and organize with me pantry video. This video is even more special to me because it's a pantry makeover for my mom. I'm so excited to take you guys along and share with you how I transform my mom's pantry with small space organization ideas. You will see the complete process and transformation that I was able to do for my mom's pantry. It turned out to be more functional and have even more space for organizing than before. If you need ideas, inspiration, and motivation to tackle your own pantry or your loved one's pantry, then this video is for you. Now let's follow through the process and wait to see her reaction. I want to give to one of you guys $100 cash via PayPal to help you get started with your pantry makeover or pantry update. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, like this video, and share this video with someone who needs pantry organization ideas. I will pick the winner 1 week from today and leave their name in the description box to avoid any scams. In addition to giving my mom's pantry a makeover, I was also able to help her upgrade to newer kitchen bar stools from Lamps Plus. The great thing is that I didn't have to go from store to store or anywhere physically to shop for these new bar stools for her. Due to the vast selection online that their site offers, I was able to show her so many different options to choose from. Lamps Plus is today's sponsor and has been a longtime supporter of my channel for years now. They believe in helping people create the homes of their dreams with not only lighting but furniture and decor that fits everyone's unique personality, just like we were able to do with my mom's selection. These are the Fillmore 25-inch gray counter stools that feature 100% polyester fabric, bronze nail head trimming, and swivel capabilities for freedom of movement sitting atop solid wood frame and legs. They fit into the space perfectly and give the room a new appearance. What I also love about Lamps Plus is how every week they introduce hundreds of new product designs and styles for all level of budgets. I highly recommend you all check them out from my personal experience from their products over the years. I'll leave a link directly to their site for easy access and browsing so you can gather ideas for your very own next space update. My mom was so happy with her new bar stools that she started to cry, you guys. I wish I could have got that on camera, but that's why I gave her some extra love. Thank you again to Lamps Plus for sponsoring today's video. Here's a quick clip of how the before looked like so you can remember what my mom's pantry started with, and here's the after with my mom's reaction. I labeled everything so you know where to put everything, making it organized, functional, and have extra storage here. Oh, there's extra storage up there in case you want to add anything in particular, so you have extra storage back there.
Grandma's so happy.
This concludes my mom's pantry organization video. I hope this video gave you tons of ideas, inspiration, and motivation to give your pantry an updated refresh. I'm so happy with how it all turned out for my mom's pantry because everything has a designated space, it's organized, and now my mom can see everything she has. There's even extra room in the back top shelf to add new items and containers. Thank you so much to Lamps Plus for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave their website and bar stools linked for you guys in the description box. I highly recommend shopping with Lamps Plus for the most exclusive and stunning pieces to update any space in your home. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.